Mazay here, Mazay Formula. Thanks for watching. We're doing an unboxing video today for Fortune Auto. I want to thank Terry for sending these awesome coilovers of the new 510 series. I've been running Megan Racing coilovers on the car for the past 2 years. They've been great, but it's time to step up to something a little bit more sophisticated for the track. It's going to give us a higher spring rate in the front and in the rear, and these coilovers have been valved effectively for the higher spring rate. And so first of all, I want to thank Chris Tran for setting me up with Fortune Auto. I was up in Virginia, Richmond, Virginia, visiting Chris. He's a killer RX7 guy up there. He's building a badass wide body time attack car, and he's running the Fortune Auto 510 series. And he was recommending to me to check these out. I'm actually from Richmond, Virginia. That's my hometown where I was born, and that's where these guys are from, Fortune Auto. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up these coilovers and check them out. See what we got. So this is the new 2019 series, which I don't believe is released yet, or they just released. So this is like the pre-order. Let's see what we get here. Pretty serious wrapping quality here. They don't get dinged up. I don't even want to mess this bubble wrap up. That's beautiful right there. Here we go. Get a close-up on that. Great thing about this company is they really pay attention to the customer. You know, you're not just a number when you order from them. So, you know, talking to Terry and the guys over there, you know, they're asking about questions about the setup, and you know, trying to get an idea of what's the weight of the car, what kind of application is it being used. Like, are you going to be drag racing, or you're going to be on a circuit track, or what's the deal? And they build these things catered to your need. So, and also if you ever have to rebuild them, you know, they're always available to revalve your, send them in to have them serviced. This is nice right here. It says it's built by Nate Boucher. Certificate of assembly. Pretty legit. So I'm going to get these unwrapped, and we're going to go ahead and start pulling the old coilovers off the car. And we're going to put new toe links on the rear and upgrade the front brakes. We're going to do it all at once. So thanks for watching.